Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. My name is Jael de Guzman Untalan. I am 36 years old. I live in Philippines in Dagupan City, Pangasinan. My birthday is January 16, 1988, and I have three children. I work as helper here in the Philippines for 3 years since 2017 of March and to 2020. I worked as domestic helper before in Hong Kong, past 2011 to 2012 for only 4 months. That was um, September to January. I break contract because my employer is not good, and I hope you give me a chance to go back. Thank you.